Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this intro text video for your edits in the CapCut mobile. So this is the intro text idea for you if you edit your videos on CapCut. First, you just need to write a word, letter by letter like this. I'm writing hello, but you can also you can just write your for example your channel's name or maybe your TikTok account's name as the intro here. So you need to write it letter by letter like this separately, and after that you can put it anywhere you like in the video. And after that, just click on each letters and go to the end of the letter, add a keyframe at the end of the letter like this. Okay, and after that, go to the beginning of each letter and move the letter to the center like this. So you need to move it until it's overlapping each other. Okay, I'm moving this like this, and that's it. And let's see the result. So the letter will move accordingly like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!